Oh god.
Just try it.
I think I should just skip it. I'm not gonna skip it.
I just felt the whole floor shake.
I call heads, Kuya. Heads!
Heads.
Wait, move back. Yeah! Boy.
I guess you raise your hand. Look. No, you didn't get the ball. Yeah, you see.
Okay.
Oh my god, you suck. Oh my.
This far?
You have to step that hard, dude.
Oh, really?
Say hi to the folks.
So.
Still gonna upload this to YouTube.
Football, nigger.
Skip that. I do a passing. Double flies over there.
Double flies.
Oh, nice. Good reading, man.
Actually understands me with the iPhone 4S.
You throw it like this.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Reach with your arms straight out. Crouch to get ready for the ball.
He's so stupid.
Follow him. You should do what he does.
Raise your arm and
Okay, I see.
too long and the defense will stop you.
Oh, okay, I see.
Center to pass
Yeah, it looks fun.
the receiver. Throw hard enough for the receiver to make the catch.
Come on.
For the best job.
Okay.
Crouch like this.
Ouch. Nigger.
Through it. Say hi.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Can you press X?
Oh, sorry.
Stupid monkey.
This is a fail.
YMCA. Hate this piece of crap. Next, our task.
Oh, you look great. You look great, no homo.
Okay, ready to play.
That's what the game's gonna look like on Predator. Oh, I didn't get it.
Look right there!
Oh,
Run! Oh my god, you're so fat! Look, you see a fat kid right there. Alright, think so.
okay, all streaks. Attack all streaks. Nigger.
Say hi when you leave.
Carlito. Okay. Set hike, huh?
Go this first.
Crouch to get ready.
Say
What?
hi.
Crouch to get ready.
Oh, sorry.
Read it.
Hi.
Ready hike! Oh, god dang it.
That's a
Oh,
fail. What the
you
hell?
suck.
Look at the left. If it's green, he passes to him.
Okay. Quick hits.
I'm gonna upload this to YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
It's gonna be freaking embarrassing.
Yeah, it is.
Shut up. But if you upload it to Facebook, I'm gonna find you and crush your thing. Ready hike.
No, watch. Dude,
Ah, by
Wow,
this
you
game.
suck.
when it's green, you pass it.
Wait for it to turn green, Gabe.
Fourth
Yeah,
down,
I know.
dude.
I don't freaking care. I don't give a crap.
You know what that means, right?
Yeah, no.
It's gonna be me.
Punt.
Punt it. You have to kick it.
Punt.
Punt.
You don't have to choose it.
Because it's so loud everywhere. You're about to kick it. I don't know how you kick it. You just kick it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Watch it, it's so
Oh
crooked.
god.
Crouch to get ready. Then stand up to start the play.
It's such a waste of HD quality video.
Why?
Because it sucks so bad.
Shut up. Ready hike. Boom.
You can move up. My turn.
Dude, not your
Oh.
turn.
My turn.
It's Gex Boy. It's Gex Boy.
Oh! Wait, go back.
Playbook.
Oh, he listens to you. Not to Gabe.
Double flies. What to do, man?
First down.
Negra.
Ready, hide! Hide! Ready, hide! Hide!
Throw it. Oh, nice run, run, run!
Niger.
How many yards did you gain?
Like 36.
That's good.
I hate you all.
Oh, Gabe sucks at this game.
Mirror! Oh,
This is so awesome.
Gabe, watch this. They're about to get a touchdown right here. Ready, hide!
Run, run!
Woo, 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 woo.
Oh,
Move back, nigga.
you just got tackled.
Okay, is it my turn?
No.
No.
Oh, it's in the first quarter. What the hell?
That was quick. I want to play next.
Alright.
Oh
Whoever loses has to not play the next game.
no. Okay, fine. But it's not the. But
Double
It's like
flies.
challenge the winner.
okay. But it's not even the. Okay. It's not even the end yet.
Oh, he wants to get this boy.
Oh crap.
He
Oh
wants to get
crap.
the touchdown.
Bull crap.
Ready, hide!
No!
Touchdown!
Touchdown!
Oh.
I get to celebrate too? Okay, my turn. Get out of the way!
Look at that wave. Dude, you freaking suck.